What if your life insurance could do more than just protect your family? Indexed Universal Life, or IUL, is permanent life insurance that lasts your whole life and builds cash value over time. That cash value grows based on the performance of a financial index, like the S&P 500. But your money isn't directly in the market. Even if the index drops, your policy has a built-in floor, so your cash value doesn't go backward. As your policy grows, you can borrow against your cash value, tax-free if done correctly. And here's the key: your money continues to grow as if it was never touched. You can use these policy loans for almost anything: supplement your retirement, start or expand a business, help pay for college, fund a home purchase or emergency, all while keeping your family protected with a tax-free death benefit, lifetime coverage, cash value that mirrors index performance, access to funds for life goals. Money keeps growing, even when borrowed. Tax-advantaged flexibility. At Independent Brokers of Orlando, we help you design an IUL that fits your future, clearly, strategically, and with no pressure. Let's see if it's the right fit for your goals.